Apa khabar semua? How is everyone? Today we will have the first ever lesson of verbs in iLearnMalay channel. My approach is to teach you the most frequently used verbs in our daily life. So there will be more videos of verbs like this in the future. Don't forget to leave some comments of what kind of videos you would like to see, so I will try to make them. Let's jump straight to the lesson. The first verb is DUDUK. DUDUK, to sit. Notice that the U in the second syllable is pronounced like O in the O in boat in English, but U in the first syllable is pronounced like in the word food. If you want to know more, check out the lesson in the link above to pronounce the letters in Malay. Let's see some example sentences with the word duduk. The first sentence in black is a formal sentence and the one in blue is the colloquial example. Dia sedang duduk di atas kerusi. Dia sedang duduk di atas kerusi. To make it more colloquial, we change the word sedang to tengah. Both sedang and tengah mean the same in this context. It means an act of doing something as in present continuous. Dia tengah duduk or dia sedang duduk. It means he or she is sitting. Di is changed to cut to be colloquial. To learn cut in detail, I recommend that you watch this lesson. The link is above. Di atas kerusi. Di atas kerusi. Kat atas kerusi. Kat atas kerusi means on the chair. So the complete sentence is he or she is sitting on the chair. Dia refers to the third person singular pronoun and it refers to a male or female. Check out the video on the link above to learn more about third person singular pronoun. Next sentence is Sila duduk di sini. Sila duduk di sini. Sila does not necessarily mean please in English, but the word sila is commonly used in Malay when you want to invite or direct a person to do something politely, especially towards someone that you highly respect. However, the colloquial sentence, duduk kat sini, duduk kat sini, it means sit here. You may use this sentence to familiar people or to those whom you have established good rapport with. The next sentence, jangan duduk di sana. Jangan duduk di sana. Or colloquially, jangan duduk kat sana. Jangan duduk kat sana. Both means the same. Don't sit there. Jangan means do not. It always paired with a verb to prohibit someone from doing something. The second verb is bangun. Bangun. Be careful not to pronounce it as BANGUN. It is bangun. Bangun. It means to rise from a sitting position or to wake up from sleeping. Let's look at some sample sentences. These sentences are imperative sentences, a direct command, or a request for someone to do something. Sila bangun dari kerusi. Sila bangun dari kerusi. Please stand up from the chair. Colloquially, bangun dari kerusi. Bangun dari kerusi. Stand up from the chair. The next example is also a command with only the word bangun, bangun, wake up, or stand up. I normally use this word to wake up my younger siblings. They were just so lazy to rise early to school. Next is a colloquial example. Let's say my mother asks me if my brother or sister is already up. She will ask me, dia dah bangun ke? Dia dah bangun ke? Is he or she awake yet? Let's say he is still sleeping. I will say belum. Belum. It means not yet. But if he or she is awake, I will say dah. Dah. It means already. Dah is actually a short form of the word sudah. Sudah. The next verb is berdiri. Berdiri. It means standing. Dia sedang berdiri. Dia sedang berdiri. Or colloquially we will say, dia tengah berdiri. Dia tengah berdiri. It means he or she is standing. If you want to be more specific, lelaki itu sedang berdiri. Lelaki itu sedang berdiri. He is standing, or that man is standing. The next sentence, di manakah saya berdiri? Di manakah saya berdiri? Or colloquially, saya berdiri kat mana? Saya berdiri kat mana? It means, where do I stand? Next is an order or a request. Berdiri betul-betul. Berdiri betul-betul. It means, stand up straight. The next verb is berjalan. Berjalan. It means walking. Dia sedang berjalan. Dia sedang berjalan. Colloquially, dia tengah berjalan. Dia tengah berjalan. He is walking. Next, saya ke situ dengan berjalan kaki. Saya ke situ dengan berjalan kaki. Colloquially, saya jalan kaki ke situ. Saya jalan kaki ke situ. I went over there on foot. The verb berjalan is normally paired with kaki. Kaki means legs, because walking needs a pair of legs, right? But even if you omit the word kaki, it is still understood that you are walking. Next example is a colloquial sentence. Let's say I am so tired and I don't want to walk anymore. Saya tak nak jalan kaki lagi. Saya tak nak jalan kaki lagi. Tak nak means do not want or does not want. The last verb is baring. Baring. It means to lie down or to lay something or someone. Mereka baring di atas lantai. Mereka baring di atas lantai. Or colloquially, diorang baring kat atas lantai. Diorang baring kat atas lantai. They are lying on the floor. To learn more on the third person plural pronoun, check out the link above. Next sentence, saya hendak baring di atas sofa. Saya hendak baring di atas sofa. Or colloquially, saya nak baring kat atas sofa. Saya nak baring kat atas sofa. I want to lie down on the sofa. And the last example, ibu itu baring bayinya di atas katil. Ibu itu baring bayinya di atas katil. Or colloquially, ibu tu baring bayi dia kat atas katil. Ibu tu baring bayi dia kat atas katil. That mother lays her baby on the bed. We have come to the end of the lesson. I hope this will be very useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment or any questions related to Malay language. Click like and hit that notification bell. Thank you. Terima kasih.